Is there any price mismatch between India and other parts of the world?
There is no price mismatch, but when the prices go up in India, the demand goes down, and therefore a lot of resale of gold starts happening. A lot of household stock of gold comes into the market, so that creates a disparity in the market, but that is very short lived because of absence of local production or local mining of gold in our country. We are always dependent upon imported gold, and therefore the prices match with the international prices within a short period of time. Such aberrations happen due to sudden price fall or sudden price increase, but that is very short lived, not more than 2-3 days. Within 2-3 days the prices match with international levels.
Generally, gold ETF funds have different price than your price and international price. What is the reason for this difference?
Gold ETF is a different product altogether. Actually, it doesn't derive its value from current price of gold, rather it derives its value from net asset value, NAV, and the price of ETF is linked to yesterday close of NAV and plus minus current 2 days fluctuation, while our e-gold contract is always deriving its value from underlying gold, and it is linked to current gold price in our country, and that is the reason that different gold ETFs are quoted at different price levels. That is because of difference in their net asset value, and such net asset value is in turn linked to the time of their entry into gold and the time of their exit, as well as their decisions relating to buying time or selling time relating to gold. While in case of e-gold, actually it is totally irrespective of any investment decision, because here there is no mutual fund or there is no AMC involved in between. Rather, the investor is buying e-gold based on his own pricing decision. So e-gold price is always reflecting the current market price of gold rather than reflecting some notional net asset value.
Which is the most authoritative site or link where one can cross-check the real price of the gold at any time?
It is www.nationalspotexchange.com, where the prices are reflected on a real-time basis, and the investors can watch the price of e-gold, e-silver at any point of time. They can also see the historical price movement and the price behavior of e-gold over a period of time.